Today, we review the best 5 pet grooming kit that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
ONISOL Dog Pet Grooming Kit. Whether you have dogs or cats, the ONISOL Grooming Kit makes home grooming quick and easy. The kit contains a rechargeable dog trimmer with a lithium-ion battery, 4 guard combs, a pair of stainless steel scissors, a trimmer cleaning brush, a stainless steel comb, and an oil bottle.
Number 2.
Friends Forever Pet Grooming Kit. The Friends Forever Grooming Kit contains all the essential tools you will need to keep your fur baby perfectly groomed every day. Designed in the USA, this professional kit is ideal for medium and long-haired dogs or cats. It includes a self-cleaning dish-shedding brush with a removable brush head.
Number 3.
Wall Professional 9484-300 Animal Deluxe Grooming Kit. The Wall Grooming Kit is ideal for trimming and grooming of paws, face, ears, and light body clipping of fine to medium-haired dogs, cats, and other pets, perfect for beginners or advanced groomers. This complete 16-piece kit contains all the tools you need.
Number 4.
Scenewas Pet Grooming Kit. Featuring an ultra-quiet performance, the pet-friendly gold clipper is designed for extra-sensitive pets. Its power precision motor has a fine copper spindle that produces low vibrations and a low 60 decibels noise output.
Number 5.
Scenewas Pet Grooming Kit. The clipper has a corrosion-resistant titanium blade that will stay sharp and ensures high durability. Combined with the ceramic moving blade, you will experience a smooth and efficient cutting performance. You can also adjust the titanium blade from 2 mm to 0.9 mm for slight adjustment on any hair length.